Transferring pictures and movies from camera to a Windows 11 PC. The Sony a7S Mark II will be used in this video. For other models, check your product manual for details as steps may vary. Method 1. Using import pictures and videos. To get started, connect your camera to your computer using a USB cable. Make sure the recording media is in the camera before turning on the power of your camera. Once connected, your computer will detect the camera and install the necessary drivers. An autoplay window should appear. Click on Open Import. Select the items you want to import. Select Import to start importing. Your photos will now be transferred. If the autoplay window doesn't show up, click on File Explorer. Then select this PC. Right-click on your camera under Devices and select Import Pictures and Videos. Click Review, Organize, and Group Items to import, then click Next. Select the items you want to import. Select Import to start importing. Your photos will now be transferred. If Import Pictures and Videos doesn't appear, disconnect the USB cable from the camera and set the USB connection to something other than mass storage on the camera. In this case we used MTP. After changing the connection, reconnect the camera. Method 2. Copy and paste from removable disk. Alternatively, you can copy and paste video files directly from the removable disk window. Go to File Explorer. Click on USB drive. Then open the folder named DCAM. Open the 100 MSDCF folder. Your photos and videos will be inside the 100 MSDCF folder. Select all your files by pressing Ctrl+A, then copy and paste to your desired destination folder. You can visit our support website for more information or contact us for further assistance.